How to enable spring-loading folders on your Mac. If you want folders to automatically open when you drag a file over them, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, click the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings. Next, scroll down and click Accessibility. Now, select Pointer Control. Click Trackpad Options or Mouse Options, depending on the device you're using. Turn on Spring Loading Delay. Use the slider to adjust how quickly a folder opens when you drag a file over it. Move the slider to the left for a shorter delay or to the right for a longer delay. Once you've finished, close the settings window. Your changes will be saved automatically. Now, when you drag a file over a folder and pause for the selected delay, the folder will automatically open, making it easier to move files into nested folders. So, it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Mac tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.